I have two accounts connected through this app. Now, how to do you do it? Are you thinking of using two accounts through one WhatsApp apps? But how to this possible? Okay, then let me show you how to use two accounts through one app. So first, you open your WhatsApp, then click on the three dots at the top. You can see this in my account, and from there you will click on settings. But you have to do this through settings. Now I am showing you that I have already added two accounts through this app. Now if I click on switch account under settings, it will go to my other account. You can see this in my other account. That is, there was one account before, now there is another account. That means I have two accounts connected through this app. Now, how to do you do it? To show this, I am removing this account from settings. After you removed it, now I have only one account logged in here. I cannot see it is my previous account, so I will now edit another account here. So for this I have click on the three dots above first. Then I have to click on the account options. So after going to the account 3, if you scroll down, you will see an option to add your account. So you will click on the account. After clicking on the account, you will get a pop-up option below. From there, click on add account. Now you will enter your phone number here as you normally log into your account or create an account. After entering your phone number, you will continue from here and a verification message will be sent you. You will verify the account. So you can see here, but my account has been added. Now if I want to show you, I clicked on the right side at the top. You can see that this is my new account, and from here I will click on the three dots above again and scroll down and click on the switch account option. After clicking, it is landing on my other account. That means I have two accounts connected in these apps. So if you want, you can easily connect two accounts in your WhatsApp in this way. This is convenient for the user and does not require account login. To get such beautiful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page.